wag na wag kang magde-deadlifts. Hindi yun magandang exercise. Baka ma-injure ka pa kung mali yung form mo. So, paano nga ba yung tamang deadlift form? Tara. Okay, game. So first, get close to the bar. Dapat nasa ilalim ng bar yung feet mo. Next, bend your knees. Get a good grip. More than shoulder width apart for your conventional grip. Put your weight on your toes. Hips to the back. Look straight in front. Contract your core. Squeeze your back. And press against the floor to stand up. Squeeze your glutes, lock your knees when you go up, slowly going down. Again, up. And squeeze, hips to the back tayo, hinge to the back. And then as you go up, inhale, exhale, and up. Inhale going down, exhale. Keep your chest out, your back and core tight. Squeeze your glutes, and lock out tayo sa pagtaas. Yan. And as you go up, dapat shoulders muna umaangat kesa yung butt. So hindi siya ganito. So ganito siya, parang pressing up. Okay? Again. So that's your deadlift. If you want one-on-one online coaching, message the Give Arts Effect. Let's go.